this is a very important conference. You know, it's about 50 years since the Nigeria-Biafra war ended, and this is history. This is very important history. First of all, we can't just wish away the lives of the probably up to 2 million or thereabout that died. You know, that's extremely important. And it's also important that we preserve history. You know, whether it's not so good and whether it's good, the important thing is we learn from the good, we build on it, and from the bad, you know, we know how to avoid that. You know, that's what history teaches us. So this is all important, but it's also important that we're looking at a number of issues that generally have been absent from this conversation. We're looking more closely at women. We're looking more closely at the roles of what people refer to as minorities. You know, they didn't play minority roles. You know, the Bibios, the Effiks, the Ogonis, you know, people from Ogoja, the Efik people and other ethnic groups in the eastern region all contributed significantly, you know, died, suffered, starved, and we're proud Biafrans, and a lot of us are still proud that we're part of that that beautiful industrious nation that sustained us and that taught us a lot. So like I said, this is just a little bit of it's just a small aspect of the conversation, you know, and we hope to continue to build on it, you know, and address all the issues that are related, and finally, you know, address an aspect of history that has been marginalized, you know, in academic institutions, in the media it's been marginalized, you know, somehow, you know, there's some who've tried to suppress it, but we're not going to allow that to happen. And so we're bringing it out, and we're addressing it, and we're telling the truth. And like I said, most importantly, we're honoring the innocent people who were either sacrificed or sacrificed all just so that we could find some stability and security. Thank you. My father would have been happy. Like I've always said, he never denied Biafra, and he would have come out and justified, you know, the Biafran cause, the right of people to go into self-determination, the right of people to defend themselves, the right of people to protect themselves and to be resourceful in the process, which all define what Biafra was about. People were resourceful, creative. People were efficient, and people were selfless. People were ready to sacrifice for other people. You know, these are the core values that define Biafra. And my father, if he were here today, would have re-emphasized these points.
Thank you very much, sir.
Thank you.
It's a pleasure.
It's a pleasure.